Welcome to Beast Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to create a folder in app drawer and home screen on a Samsung One UI 8 device. So if you have any Samsung device running the latest One UI 8 version, I will show how to create the folder on your device. You can create the folder to organize the application on your Samsung One UI 8 device like gaming apps, entertainment apps, news application, technology application. So you can quickly find the related question or any other search using this folder on a device. So let's see how to organize apps on your home screen or a app drawer. So first of all, we show how to create folder in the app drawer. So open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Long press the application. We want to create a folder. So here we select this Flipkart. Now tap on a select button. So select. Now select the multiple apps you want to create the folder. So here we select these three applications on my device. Now at the top you can see the create folder option. So tap on it to create the folder on your device. So tap on it. Now here you can see create the folder. Now tap on a folder name to change the name. Here you can to enter the name. So enter the name. So here we enter just test. Now tap on a done. Now here you can see create the folder. So tap on a plus icon to add another application from the list. So here we select this calculator. Now tap on a done. Now you can see add the application to your device. So you can see easily create the folder on your app drawer, on your Samsung app drawer. Now if you want to create the folder in the home screen, follow the same step. Just move all application to the home screen. After that, long press it, tap on select, select the another application. Now tap on a create folder, and you can see create the folder on your home screen. So enter the folder name you want to set and tap on a black space on your device. If you want to remove the application, just long press it, tap on a remove to remove app from the app folder on your device. If you want to remove that folder, just long press it, tap on a delete, tap on a delete. This folder will still be available on the app screens. So it means when you delete the folder, all available application is available on your app drawer. Only remove from the folder. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.